Hello again, it's Mr. RG Stuff, back in the workshop. And recently I had reason to look at this BSR deck again and realised, or remembered actually, that the platter mat was really quite warped. So I've taken it off and put it on the workbench, and I'm going to have a go at removing it. Now, just by sort of squeezing my fingers underneath, I've figured out that it's glued down. And I've had a bash actually with a hot air gun already, and it seems to help release it. So I'm just going to gently go over it now. Now I don't know if this plastic is actually recoverable, whether it's possible to flatten it. But I don't want to damage it unless I have to. Right. That's peeling off really quite nicely. And there we go. That's quick. Now just putting the platter to one side for a minute. I mean that mat is warped, there's no question about it. So one option certainly would be to replace it. The biggest question really is, can I get another one of these? And I have actually had a quick look on eBay and the like, and I can't see anything that's a close match. Something that slightly worries me about this platter is that it does have a bit of a dip in it. I mean, that's obviously the way it's made. It's not a fault, but a lot of the platter mats I've seen, like sort of cork ones, I can get a cork one the right size for this. This is 270 millimeters. It's just flat, and that'd be okay out here, but I'm not sure about here whether I need to put anything underneath. So yeah, I'm not going to go and order one just yet. I'm making this video, and I'd be very interested in comments. So I'm making this video so that people can give me some advice, give me some suggestions. What should I do? Should I attempt to flatten this one back out? If so, how? Or should I try to replace it with something else? And if so, what? Okay, so nice quick videos. Well, nice quick video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, then please do subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff. Thank you.